Welcome back to QuantPower, everyone. Today, we are diving into a straightforward yet powerful option selling strategy that's suitable for both intraday and positional trading. Let's get started by logging into your QuantPower account and heading over to the charts. First, we'll add the pivot points indicator to our charts. Adjust the settings as demonstrated here and set the time frame to 5 minutes. Let's analyze the chart from 12th February. It broke the S1 support level, retested it in the subsequent candles, and then continued its downward move. Now, let's examine other days. On 8th February, it broke the support level, followed by consolidation before moving downwards. On 7th February, despite opening just above the R1 level, it couldn't sustain and moved downwards. On 6th February, it initially acted as strong support but broke below the S1 level without consolidation, eventually moving upwards. On 2nd February, it opened above resistance and found support there. To identify potential directional moves, pay attention to two key factors: the put-call ratio and the behavior after breaking S1 or R1 levels. A PCR around 0.70 suggests a bias towards buying, while a PCR around or above 1.25 indicates selling opportunities. Although not foolproof, aligning your trades with these ratios can boost confidence. After a break of S1 or R1, wait for 4 to 5 candles to observe the price behavior. If the trend persists, consider entering a position. In our example, after the third candle, it's reasonable to assume a downward trend with a potential entry on the fourth candle. Now, let's discuss strike prices, targets, and stop-loss levels. For Bank Nifty, target premiums between 170 to 185 rupees, with stop-loss levels around 35 to 45 rupees, and similar targets. For Nifty, target premiums between 65 to 75 rupees, with stop-loss levels around 15 to 20 rupees, and similar targets. That wraps it up for today. We hope you found this strategy helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to QuantPower for more insightful videos. Happy trading!